Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class, we have already started chapter M2 volume and surface area, and we have done exercise 2A till question number 17. Now, today we are going to start next question number 18. Let us see. The volume of a cylinder is 5346 centimeter cube, and the ratio of its radius and its height is 3:7. Find its radius and height. Let us see. Here we will assume let the radius and height be 3x and 7x respectively. Therefore, we will write down pi r square h is equal to volume of a cylinder. So, let us put its value. In place of pi, we will write down 22 by 7 into r is given 3x. So, r square means 3x into 3x. H is 7x into 7x is equal to volume is already given in the question 5346. So we'll make it a cross multiplication here. So 22 into 3x into 3x into 7x is equal to 5346 into this 7 will transpose to this side. Now x into x into x, it will be x cube is equal to 5346 into 7 upon this 22 into 3, 3 3s are 9 into 7 will become the denominator. Now let us divide this number. 7 will cancel out. Let us divide this 5346 by 9. It will go by 594. Now 594 upon 22. When we will divide this 594 by 22, the answer will be 27. So x cube is equal to 27. So x cube is equal to, we can write down 27 as 3 power 3. So 3 will cancel out. Therefore x is equal to 3. Now radius, we have assumed that it is 3x, which is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 centimeter. Height, it is given 7x, that is equal to 7 into 3, which is equal to 21 centimeter. So this is our answer. Let us see next question number 20. How many cubic meter of earth must be dug to construct a 20 meter deep well of diameter 7 meter if the earth taken out is spread over a rectangular plot of size 22 meter into 14 meter? Find the height of the platform so formed. So let us see. Earth dug, it means we have to find out the volume of the soil obtained by digging the earth, that is equal to pi r square h. So let us put its value. In place of pi, we will write down 22 upon 7 into radius is given, diameter is given 7. So radius will be 7 by 2, half of the diameter. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is given 20. So 2 10 are 20 and this side 2 11 are 22 and this 7 will cancel out. So 11 into 7 into 10, that is equal to 770 cubic meter. Now height of the platform, how we will find out the height of the platform? This is the volume of the earth dug. So after spreading that soil on the rectangular plot, the volume of that rectangular plot is equal to the volume of the soil. So we'll write down volume of rectangular plot is equal to volume of earth dug. So how we will find out the height? As we know, area into height is equal to volume. So let us write down area into height is equal to, what is the volume of the soil? 770. So height is equal to 770 upon area. It means 770 upon what is area? Area is given 22 into 14. This is the measurement of the rectangular plot. Length into breadth means 22 into 14. So 22, let us divide this number by 11. 11 to the 22, 11 7 the 77 and this 0 will come this side. So now let us divide this 70 by 14. So 14 5s are 70. Therefore 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5 meter. Therefore height will be 2.5 meter. This is our answer. Now let us see next question number 21. A rectangular paper of width 28 centimeter is rolled along its width to form a cylinder of radius 30 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. this is the measurement given here. This is a rectangular piece of paper and its width is 28 centimeter it is given, and it is also given to form a cylinder of radius 30 centimeter. The radius of the cylinder is 30 centimeter it is given. If we will fold this paper along its width, it means the height of the cylinder will become 28 centimeter and the radius of this cylinder will be 30 centimeter. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. It means 22 by 7 into what is radius here, 30 into 30 into height is height will be 28. So let us simplify this number. 7 4 are 28. Now 22 into 30 into 30, it is 900 into 4, which is equal to 79200. It means 79,200 centimeter cube will be our answer. Now we will see next question number 23. The external radius of a 14 centimeter long metallic pipe is 9 centimeter and the pipe is 1 centimeter thick. Find the volume of the metal used in the pipe if the mass of 1 cubic centimeter metal is 8.5 gram. Find the mass of the pipe. Let us see. External radius is equal to 9 centimeter. It means from the center of this, it means capital R, bigger radius is 9 centimeter and internal radius will be 1 centimeter is the thickness. So we'll reduce this. 9 minus 1, that is equal to 9 centimeter will be the internal radius, means a small r is equal to 8 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder. Let us find out volume of the cylinder. I have given you one formula, volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder. So volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder, that is equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. So pi h we will take it as a common. So here capital R square minus small r square. So in place of pi we will write down 22 by 7 into height is 14. It is already given in the question. Inside the bracket we will write down capital R in place of capital R 9 square minus in place of a small r we will write down 8 whole square. So 22 by 7 into 14 into a square minus b square. We will apply this formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will write down 9 plus 8 into 9 minus 8. So 7 to the 14, 22 into 2 into 9 plus 8 is equal to 17, 9 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 22 into 2, that is equal to 44 into 17, which is equal to 748 cubic centimeter. Now mass, let us find out the mass. It is given in the question, since 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8.5 gram, therefore 748 centimeter square cube is equal to 8.5 into 748 gram, that is equal to gram, this much gram. So after multiplication we'll get it here 6358 gram, or when you have to convert it into kilogram, then you have to divide this number by 1000. When we will divide this number by 1000, 76358 divided by 1000, which is equal to 6.358 kilogram. So therefore our answer will be 6.358 kilogram. This is our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.